So it's March 9th. Today we are putting cord bracing on. So these basically go from the bottom of the truss and they screw into the purlins. So they get a screw through this side and then screw through that side, and they get bolted to an angle that is up on the bottom edge of the truss. So we got a lot of these to put in. So we're going to put those in before we put our ceiling girts in. Today we'll be using the scissor lift. Makes life easy. So got a lot of them, so let's get to it. What are we doing?
I'm trying to screw these bolts for Daddy.
Why are we putting bolts together?
Since we're gonna screw them on Dad comes.
Whoa, you all right there?
Yeah.
First time sitting?
Yeah, first time sitting here. Oh, this one.
Why do we put these bolts together like this?
Since because why we do this is because we're trying to make a house.
We're making a house?
Yeah.
We're trying to make a house, or we are making a house?
We are making a house. But we're gonna try.
We're gonna try to make a house?
Yeah.
Well, I hope we succeed.
It's already past Christmas.
It is past Christmas.
Well, every day we get Christmas.
Yeah, we've come pretty far though, right?
Yeah.
We did a lot of work.
Yeah.
Yeah.